Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is February 8th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Wow, you got to realize, guys, something is going on here. You gotta watch this to the end. Watch to see this daily picture and all. But let's go ahead and get started here with this quarterly chart and all. Let me maximize this and where we can see on this quarterly chart what we have here is a green candle above pivot, above the yearly pivot, still looking very bullish and all. We still got our higher highs going on and our higher lows going on and all. But let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart. On this monthly chart, as we can see here on the SPY, we kind of like got an inside day. We've been hitting this quarterly R1 and all and bouncing, pulling back off of it. We are not getting a close above all-time highs and getting above all-time highs at this time, but we are staying above pivot. We are above 9-10 moving average. So again, technically, we are still in a bull market. We're kind of like forming a wedge up here. Some people would call that a flag maybe up here. I don't get into those type of patterns and all, but it is what it's there. It's there. You know, right here was kind of like a bullish engulf, a bullish harami in the wrong location. You almost got like another bullish harami, you know, but green again, you know, in the wrong location, and all. But let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and take a quick look at that. And all here on this weekly chart, what we see here on this weekly chart is it's not really pretty, but it is what it is. You know, we have green candles here. We are above the quarterly. This is the weekly chart, so we're above the monthly, you know, pivot at this time and all. We came back above that and closed back above there this week and all. So again, you know, but what I'm also seeing here, you know, we had made this high a couple of weeks ago and all, and now we're getting lower highs, lower lows, but we still have green candles at the time. So again, you know, based on your trading plan, your trading strategy, just trade accordingly. And but let's go ahead and go down here to the daily chart and let's see what's happening here. This is where the real picture, you know, the real thing that's really happening here. You can see, and these higher highs that these lower highs that we have been getting, you know, been at bearish pattern, and all. Then we gap down and then raise up all week. Bearish pattern. Then we gap down, and then we raise all week. Bearish pattern again here at the end of the week where we gap down and raise up again. So again, based on your trading plans, your trading strategies, you know, pay attention to what's happening out here in this market at this time. Some people can say we are beginning to get some kind of flag or some kind of wedge or something going on here and all. But just be mindful of how you look at this market. We are still, you know, this is going to be a weekly. These are weekly pivots. We're going to be opening above this coming week, though. Look like we should, again, if we end up gapping down, we're going to be below pivot. But then it's kind of like every time we do that, by the end of the week, back above pivot, but then we come back down below pivot. This time we was below pivot. We came back above pivot, but we ended up below pivot. You know, so again, I'm kind of expecting, you know, we might end up gapping down here below pivot and then end up above pivot. And if the big money is watching me and see that I'm catching on to the pattern and I'm getting ready to take advantage of that, and all, things will probably change. But that's it. That's all I really want to share with you guys. Subscribe, like if you see something that I see, and all. And I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. This is Right Side Trader. Have a good one. Bye.